everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, and today I have a super quick finale for you. I wasn't sure if I was going to be doing this finale today or like towards the end of the month, but it needs to be done today because I have finally finished my last product. I cannot believe this. This is the Painter's Pan. I have been working on this forever. This started September 1st of 2020. So yeah, it's been a hot minute that I have been working on products in this particular project. Though it's kind of been, I don't want to say it was on the back burner, but it's one of those where once I got to a certain point when I said I was not going to be doing this project anymore, I just kind of didn't update unless I had something like really visual to show you. And yeah, today it comes to an end. So if you're not familiar with this project, this was created by Liz. She's Shiny Happy Pants on Instagram, and it's basically paying homage to other painters within the painting community, which I love the concept of it. My biggest issue with this project, after doing it for so long, is I was struggling to find products for people to like link to other people, because while we watch each other's videos and comment and stuff like that, you don't really know a lot of these people. And if you don't have a collection that has some of the same things that other painters have, it makes it really difficult to link products because you don't know the nuance. And I had done like 3.5, almost 4 years of a no-buy. So there was a lot of product years where I just didn't bring anything new in, and it limited me drastically on what I had the same of other people. So like I started to stress about it, and I don't want to stress about makeup. I don't want to stress about. I got enough stress in my day-to-day life. I don't need it in my makeup life. So I decided that I was going to take a step back from it, but I was going to finish everything that I had in this project. So this is the culmination of all the years of me working on the Painter's Pan. So I'm going to have Liz link down below. Every single painter that I worked on since the September 1st, 2020 intro is going to be linked down in my description box. And yeah, it's kind of bittersweet. Like, I'm glad that this chapter is coming to an end, but I'm also kind of sad because I really love the concept of this project. I just stressed myself out with it. And, you know, while I like the premise, I really didn't like the stress of trying to roll new people in. Like, I picked tons of people. I had a list of people I wanted to bring in. I just struggled to find product that correlated to that particular painter, and you know, I don't like that struggle. So so this is it. I'm kind of sad, like I said. And I did text Paula, a beauty guru made me do it. If you're not familiar with her, I don't know how you couldn't be familiar with her. My lips are feeling a little weird today. So I let her know because she kind of wanted to finish when I finished, and she hasn't responded to me yet, but I'm going to film it anyway just because I just want to be done. I like to wrap things up, not leave the loose ends. So yeah, this is my closure. So now that I've rambled forever, the only person that I had left in here was Jenn from Project Beauty, my girlfriend up to the north in Canada, and I chose an eyeshadow for her because I love her eye looks. She does some gorgeous eye looks. She's got great eyebrows too, but I chose it because she does gorgeous eye looks. And I brought in a Coastal Scents Hot Pot for her. It was Forest Eve. It was a beautiful green. I actually have it on today. I finished this today. There wasn't much left in here, and so now it is done. Look at that. That is a Shiny Happy Pan, which is kind of funny, you know, since Liz's Instagram is Shiny Happy Pans. I'm ecstatic to have this done. I'm kind of sad, like I said, but it was cool that Jenn hung out with me until the very end. And I really hope you go check out her channel. She's going to be linked down below. Liz is going to be linked down below. And there's tons and tons of other painters that I have had in this project from the very beginning. So you can go check them out. Some of them are still painting, some of them are not. It's all good. I think most still have their pages, or not their pages, their channel's still up. So if you want to see some of their old videos, you can do that as well. But that is it. That is everything for this finale. It feels good to have one thing off my plate. It's kind of nice. So that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.